Hello everyone, good day. How are all of you today? We are now in Chapter 8. Week 10. Learning Objectives. 1. Explain the definition of process costing. 2. Explain characteristics of process costing and the differences in terms of product types, cost accumulation, cost flows and documentation. 3. Explain the definition of equivalent units. 4. Explain transferred in cost. 5. Explain the concept of transferred in cost from previous department. What do you all see here? Name this product. I am sure that this is one of your favorite snacks. Could you all name the steps to make this product? Identify the process involved in making potato chip. Mix process, forming process, frying process, arrange process, wrapping process. 1. Definitions of process costing. A system for assigning costs to goods that are mass-produced in a continuous sequences of steps, called processes. Process industries produce large numbers of identical units, such as steel rods, boxes of cereal, gallons of paint and cases of picante sauce. Many companies in the petroleum, food and beverage, pharmaceutical and chemical industries use process costing. Uses of process cost systems. Used to apply costs to similar products that are mass-produced in a continuous fashion. Examples include the production of cereal, paint, manufacturing steel, oil refining and soft drinks. 2. Characteristics of process costing. Types of products: homogeneous products, similar products that are mass-produced, such as boxes of cereal, food and beverage. Accumulated cost. A process costing system accumulates the cost of each process needed to complete the product. For example, cost accumulated by 1. Processing department. 2. Packaging department. Documentation costs are summarized in the production cost reports. Cost flow costs are charged to every process. Total costs are determined at the end of a period time. Differences between job order costing and process costing. Job order costing, process costing. Type of product: heterogeneous. Assigned to a specific job: homogeneous. Similar product that are mass-produced. Accumulated cost. Cost for each batch. Cost of each process. Cost flow costs are charged to individual's job. Total costs are determined when the job is completed. Costs are charged to every process. Total costs are determined at the end of a period time. Documentation: job cost sheets, production cost reports. Examples of companies that primarily use either a process cost system or a job order cost system. Illustration 21-2. Process cost and job order cost. Companies and products.
Examples of companies that primarily use either process cost system or job order cost system. Illustration 21-2. Process cost and job order cost. Companies and products.
Comparison of job and process costing. 4. Job order costing. Comparison of job and process costing. 4. Process costing, process cost flow. This slide shows the cost flow process, process cost flow. This slide shows the cost flow process. The raw materials. Labor hours. Manufacturing cost will be debited in the manufacturing account. When it's assigned, will be transferred to the work in the process 1, completed. Then will be transferred to work process 2, completed. Will be transfer as finished goods, and finally will be transfer in cost of goods sold. The cost flow process and accumulation cost. This slide shows the cost flow in each department until it's ready as the final product. All costs incurred from the department will be added as the cost price to the product.
Question 1. Give 2 differences between job order costing and process costing. Question 2. Explain the definition of process costing. Give 2 examples of product using process costing.
Hope that all of you are able to 1. Explain the definition of process costing. 2. Explain the characteristics of process costing and the differences in terms of product types, cost accumulation, cost flows and documentation. We'll continue next week. Stay safe until we meet again. Take care.